Wahala. President Tinubu is poisoned by one of his kitchen staffs. How it happened will shock you. Military takes over. Omo, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has just been poisoned by one of his kitchen staff. How it take up on my people now waiting, everybody begin to ask. I know a lot of people will be very, very eager to know what actually I meant by this, but believe me, you don't need to worry because I'll be dropping this very truth behind for you. What do I mean by the president has been poisoned? Was it a physical food poison, or was it that his mind was poisoned? My dear listeners, I would like you to pay attention, stay tight. Please, I know you may be doing something very, very serious, but please spare me this important time as I drop this truth behind for you. It's a very short video, okay? And please don't forget to comment and drop your message as I drop this truth behind for you. Oh yeah, I'll be right back. Just a few minutes. Okay? Oh yeah, we could go inside now. Yeah, we'll go in. Let's go there. Listen.
Today we examine reports surrounding the shocking arrest of a presidential chef over an alleged plot to poison President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, an incident that has prompted swift intervention by a special police squad and triggered heightened security measures within the presidential environment. According to preliminary information from security sources, the arrest followed intelligence alerts suggesting suspicious activities connected to food preparation procedures within restricted areas.
Okay, guys, I'll upload the full video.
I will still play the full video for you. I just decide to pause here so that you will know that what I'm saying is a reality. Now, a presidential chef was paid to poison the president. Who is the presidential chef? How did he make the attempt to poison Tinubu, and how did Bola Ahmed Tinubu escape this food poison? See, they don't just call this man Jagabano. They don't just call him Jagabano. Now say Baba the walker with in two leg, maybe one leg up, one leg down. As in, if they limp in leg, when I say my ordinary man the walker. No be ordinary man the walker. That man one of the see a strong man. Only God fit take in life. How did Bola Ahmed Tinubu escape this poison? How did he escape this food poison? And how was he able to detect that the food given to him was poisoned? My dear people, this is where people begin to question Bola Ahmed Tinubu to know if this man carry charm enter presidential office. I was so shocked myself anyway, not until this very reality came up. Watch this.
Abu ne masifa da ta zo mana gida. To idan Allah ya taimake mu za a samu fahimta. Abin da dan uwa yake fada da dan uwa, Allah zai kawo fahimta kan cewa ya ce a bai ba daidai bane. A bari. Kuma alhamdulillah ana kokari a samu fahimta a sayar da wannan abu.
Now, this is what the man said. Whether we like it or not, there are what? Terrorists in where? Nigeria who want peace. They are our what? Brothers. Imagine. Terrorists now our brother. This is who? Security advisor. Now they talk this one. So security advisor. Terrorists now our brother. We must seek for dialogue. That is dialogue with these people. These are people who don't destroy community. Keep people tired. Security advisor. He talks, say, we must seek for dialogue to understand them. How? Make them for finish everybody for the country. Understand what? Terrorists. How we go to understand terrorists? See, I mean, just see something. Just see something and they come. See something. Make us see something. Listen now, people will say make we understand though. Now, people will say make we understand. Make us see oh. This is today. This one is today. Today. Boko Haram fresh attack. Army base, Borno, key army major, and other soldiers. Today for Nigeria. Today, my people, today. These people, they key army major general today, and other soldiers. Today. Then you won't go tell me, say, Nigerians say, I keep telling you people, until I stand up to do the right thing, we go still remain for inside this shamble condition. Yes. We go remain for inside. You see, Tinubu, now we say that they want my exposure. See, when they go meet you, you don't go see and come. This one we hear this, like, when they catch them, so they're going to deny it. So I don't go see and coming. And they tell now, because Nigeria, they are tired, they are really tired of this whole nonsense taking place in the country. They are tired. Imagine, security advisor, they tell us, say, make we dialogue. Say these people are our brother, terrorists are our brother. How can terrorists be our brother? People will destroy, when they fight people every day. They be our brother. No, it should be that. Guys, let's go straight down to this news. Now, this one is Iran. This one is Iran military command. Rock as chief of staff. Today. Like mine today. So, latest US-Israel airstrike. They buy this man today. What happened? When they buy this man, when they eliminated the supreme leader of Iran, this man came out. It was daring Trump and Israel minister. He was daring these people, saying that no, they don't go back down. They need to retaliate. They want the highest bomb, so they won't begin blast. Donald Trump tell us, say, you better calm down. Relax, submit yourself. If you try to make any move, we will take you down. He was thinking that Trump was lying. The Israel president was lying. That's what happened. They put her for their body today. They put her for their body today. If they buy this one yesterday, they buy him today. So any of them try to come outside to show strong head, they will take them down. These are the people constituting nuisance in the world. No, just tell me. You guys have a beautiful country. You know, see as Saudi Arabia, they do their thing. See as Dubai, they do their thing. Like, see as those ones, they be Arab people. But they're not there for this kind of war thing. Those ones, they create, they invent things. If you go to those countries, you go, hey. Those are Arab countries. But if you go to those countries, you go, hey. You go, hey, where you go see country. But all these ones now, they still now fight they like, now war they like. Now they call now Oga, una they cry. Should they say, una talk say, if una una go meet una Allah for up, una get big space for up road, they will give una how many veggies. So why are you guys not crying when they buy una superior? Why una they cry? Since they buy and we don't come out, oh yeah, una into the celebration, okay. You go meet Allah for up. Now, why are you guys not crying? So let me show you guys a video where Israel just do pump out now. When they take by this man. You can see video.
From Benjamin.
fahimta.
Watch again, no try again. No try again. Yeah, see house. Now you just package this man, now they finish up. He didn't see it coming. He didn't see it coming at all. But he was on TV making out. Donald Trump, this one, that one. When they plan that, they catch her like doves. All of them, they finish all of them. So tell me, after what he escaped, when they come out and come and deny, say, he did not be RIP. Nothing happened to him. Bro, tell me, who won't survive this kind of thing? Who won't survive this kind of thing? Who won't survive her? If I play with America, Donald Trump, who can I hear what Donald Trump talk? Oh, I'm coming. Let me play you guys Donald Trump, what Donald Trump said. Just watch this video, please.
Good morning and welcome to the War Department. If you attack the United States of America, we will crush you without mercy. That's why we name the former Department of Defense the Department of War. 7 American B-2 bombers dropped the 14 30,000-pound Dêãth bombs on Iran's nuclear facility. Nicholas Maduro had his chance. Kept him out. And he found out. Blessed with the strongest, most powerful military in the history of the world.
Donald Trump is a leader. Donald Trump is a leader, my people. You know, they just talk too much. You see, if we have someone like Donald Trump, you see these idiots who they call themselves terrorists, they're not going to exist for 1 minute. Look at terrorist leader in Iran. See how Donald Trump coupled him. They coupled him once. This is what we're saying. Now, Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I want to believe that you have seen this very video. And you know that even you yourself are not safe. This one where they try to poison you, believe me, it is an introduction. You may be strong, but if they won't pick you, they will pick you with immediate effects, no matter the thing where you plant put for body. You understand? Because look at this man you are seeing here. You cannot tell me that you are stronger than this man you are seeing here. We are talking about Iran. Your juju they learn for where them they. Yet Trump couple am, give am where they hot. My fellow Nigerians, anyone that is criticizing Donald Trump is not doing it well. Yes, it's not. Because people like Donald Trump, now we need for this country. Make this video go viral, make everybody see the truth where it is. I rest my case.